Students, see question number 4. Here is figure. L and M are two parallel lines. This and this parallel lines intersected by another parallel pair of parallel lines P and Q. P and Q. These are parallel lines and intersecting the parallel lines pair of parallel line L and M. Then prove that triangle ABC congruent triangle CDA. First point is given PQ, P parallel Q. Given lines P parallel Q and L parallel M. To prove that triangle ABC congruent triangle CDA. Proof. We take triangle ABC. ABC is this one, and CDA. Here we can write this one angle 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this triangle, angle 1 in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, angle 1 equal angle 3. Angle 1 equal angle 3. These are alternate angles because these lines are parallel and AC is transversal. P and Q are parallel, AC is transversal, then angle 1 equal angle 3. These are alternate angles. And angle 2 equal angle 4. These are also alternate angles. These are parallel. Here because P parallel Q and AC is transversal. And for this 2 and 4, here L and M are parallel. These are also alternate angles because L parallel M and AC is transversal. And side AC equal side AC. Here is AC side common in both the triangles. So this is common side. So you see here two angles and one side are equal, two angles and one side of another triangle. Then these triangle will be congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle CDA by ASA, angle sum angle property. So this is the result. Please note down. See question number 5. Question number 5. Line L is bisector of angle A. We have given a figure. This one line L this one is bisector of angle A, means this angle equal this angle. We can write angle 1 and 2. And here is another point B, and from B perpendicular drawn, perpendicular BP and BQ. This one is BP, B and P, and from here perpendicular BQ are drawn. Show that triangle APB, triangle APB, congruent triangle AQB. First point given, L is bisector of angle A and BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B. Next point, prove that first part, triangle APB, congruent triangle AQB, and second part is BP equal BQ, or B is equidistance from arm A of angle A. So proof, take this triangle, two triangle APB and triangle AQB. Compare here, angle 1 equal angle 2, angle 1 equal angle 2, because L is the bisector of angle A, means it divide this angle in two equal parts, means angle 1 equal angle 2, and this one angle APB equal angle AQB, because each of 90 degree measures. Perpendicular mean 90 degree measurement, and side AB is common in both the triangles, and AB equal AB, that is common. So we apply three parts. First one angle, second one angle, and third one side. So we can prove triangle APB is congruent triangle AQB by angle side AAS rule, or AAS congruency criteria. This one is first part, and second part is BP equal BQ, BP equal BQ by CPCT, It means the point B is equidistance from point P and Q, mean this equal this, both are equal distance, or from B. So this is question number 5.